Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation. We elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
The place, the players, and the passion. This is your front row seat to sports action that never stops. I am 𝗬𝗵𝗲 and this is Sportify.
Champions, rise, rise, Sportify the fire in your eyes, keep pushing limits, feel the beat, chasing greatness can't be beat,
the grind, the glory, and the guts.
In the blazing heart of Bicol, a new legend is rising from the fierce and electrifying world of sports. From the humble barangay of Tamban in the municipality of Tinambac, Camarines Sur, emerges a force to be reckoned with. She is a volleyball phenom who's not just playing the game, she is writing her own narrative. Now, the nation watches as this hometown hero storms the court and shakes the foundations of the volleyball.
And the power of VANESSA SARIE is ever present.
A freshman athlete representing the Letran Lady Knights, recognized in this year's NCAA Philippines as the Rookie of the Year, Freshman of the Year, and Best Outside Spiker.
And the power.
A historic feat for a Bicolano athlete, making her mark in the sit down with a homegrown hero who proves that no matter where you come from, greatness can be within reach. Let's meet the pride of Camarines Sur, rising
Sarang same lang din. Then nag-start and nakuha niya grade 11, nakuha niya ako. Pumasok ako sa NCF. And then yung NCF kasi, dream school ko din.